Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be discussed about JOptionPane. The JOptionPane class is used to provide standard dialog box such as message dialog box, confirm dialog box, and input dialog box. These dialog boxes are used to display informations or get input from the user. As usual, the JOptionPane class inherits JComponent class. So that's why I'm just using the import java x.swing library here. Now JFrame f. I just create a variable which is the name of f to the JFrame. Then I just write option pan as my class name, and here I just write option pan as a method. Now in this method I just write f which is equal to new j frame. I just create a frame here. Now j option pan dot show, and here it's loading, show message dialogs. So here you can see I just import show message dialog. So it will show us the message dialog box. So here I just write a variable which is f, so this one, and here I just passed a string. Hello, welcome to dialog box. Okay, and then we just go to the main method. So public static void main, and then a string and arguments. Then we just write new and option pan by this class name. So this is the method here, and now I just see the output for this code. So you can see here a message dialog box is shown to us, and which is hello, welcome to dialog box. You can see here. Now we just go to the another example of show message dialog box, which is a warning message to us. So here I just create a class with the name of option pan 2, sorry 1, and here I just import a java x.swing library, and then create j frame and the variable f. Okay, then option pan here, and in the option pan I just write f which is equal to new and j frame. So our frame is created here, and then j option pan dot show message dialog. Okay, so here I just write a present component which is f, and the message here means a string which is success, and it successfully updated record, and here I just show alert. Okay, and then I just pass j option pan dot warning message here. Okay, because I just told you that I am showing the warning message in my this program. So after this warning message we just go to the sorry public static void main, it's main, and then string arguments and new option pan. Okay, so sorry, it's the option pan number one. Okay, now I just check the desired output for this code, and you can see here successfully record updated record, and okay, so this is the warning message to us. You can see here we have the alert, and you can see the alert icon here. This is alert and the warning message sign, and you can see here. Okay, now we just go to the show confirm dialog box. Means in this dialog box you have two options, like you want to show yes or no, means you want to cancel this button, or you want to okay this button, or you do not proceed with this button, like yes, no, and cancel button signs. So here I just create a class name, and the class name which is option pen 2. Okay, here I just import a library of java x.swing, and then import one another library which is java.awt dot event, because we are just using the buttons here and then apply events on these buttons, so that's why java awt dot event. And here I just use inheritance, and so extends window adapter. Okay, so here's a question: what is the window adapter? So the window adapter is a class. It is an abstract adapter class for receiving Windows events only, and all the methods of this class are empty. Means this is convents class for creating means listener objects only. Means you can, mean when you just separately define this class, so you can write public abstract class like this one, which is public and abstract class, and then you can use window adapter class, and then you can extend the objects of these class, means like this one, object extends, and object where I just write extend and window adapter. So let's just come to our on topic, and here after creating this class, so I just write jframe and create a variable which is f. Now f dot add window listener, and then this. Okay, and after that I just write sorry, here I just create f is equal to new and j j frame. Sorry, it's j frame here. Okay, so I just create a frame, and then I just write f dot set. sorry Sorry, here yet not the write the variable, so f dot set size, and then size is 300 x 300. Okay, and now I just forget to write the option pane number 2 as a method, and outside this method I just create a JFrame variable. Okay, and this, okay, done. So now f dot set, and set is the layout, and then the layout is null here. After that, set default close operations, and JFrame dot do nothing on closed. Okay, means do nothing on closed. So this set default close operations method is used to specify one of the several options for close the button. Means use one of the following constants to apply your choice, like jframe.exit on close, so it will exit the application. Then jframe hide on close, so it will hide the frame but keep the application running, like minimizing. And dispose on close, jframe.dispose on close is to dispose the frame object but keep the application running. And here I just use do nothing on closed, so it will just ignore the click. Okay, so f dot set visible, so visible is true here. Okay, and now I just write public void and window close, sorry, closing, and then window event e. So this is adapter here, and now, so it's a window event. Okay, and window event and window closing. Okay, now I just take an integer which is a is equal to j option pan dot show confirm dialog. Okay, and here I just passed a variable f, and then message are you want to sure, sorry, are you sure. And then here I just write if condition for if a is equal to j option pan and dot yes no, means yes option here, only yes option. Okay, and then f dot set, and set is default on close operations, and here j frame dot exit on closed, so it will be exit on closed. And now public static void main and string and arguments. Okay, and new option pan 2, and our code is clear, but here's some little mistake which is the capital W. Okay, now I just run this code. You can see here means you have the window, and when you just click on close, you can see, yes, this one, exit on close operations here, and it will show us to our dialog box, which is a confirm dialog box, means you want to exit this, so yes no, so it will be hide, and then cancel, it will be the hide. And now when you just click on yes, means yes option, it will be click on yes option, and yes you are want to show, and this show confirm dialog. Okay, So I just yes, and then the application is closed. So first of all, I just I'll create a library which is import Java X and Swing and Java AWT for events handling. Okay, and then I just create a variable class extends from Windows adapter. And I just told you about the window adapter, that the class, this is a class. Window adapter means it's use an abstract adapter class for receiving the Windows events only. And all the method of this class are empty. So in this class we have some methods which are window closing, window closed, window activated, window deactivated, and window open. So I just create here a method and then create the frame functionalities here. Okay, and after that I just write here do nothing for closed, means when it's closed, so when I just close this application, so the option shows to me. And then default void windows closing event. So the window closing event, it's a window listener interface, and the window listener interface is notified whenever you change the state of the window. Means whenever I change the state of window, it is notify against the windows event. Okay, so and this is a package of Java AWT events. Okay, and after that I just create a confirm dialog box that are you want to sure to close this application. So I just click on yes, so our application will be exit on close. If I click on no or cancel, so it will be hide. So this is a JOptionPane in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture.